We all know someone who has been sick or in pain. Maybe you or someone you know has had painful surgery or suffer from depression. Often, prescription medicine have side effects and make the patient feel even worse. When we don't feel well, we all like to recover as quickly as possible. The cannabis might be the solution. So today I would like to persuade you to topic: should the cannabis use of cannabis in Malaysia be legalized? There are many reasons to the use of cannabis in Malaysia be legalized. More than 40 countries have legalized consumption of cannabis for medical purposes. The caucus believe that Malaysia has the space and huge opportunity in this industry for medical and research purposes, which could deliver a lot of benefit for the country. The cannabis can be used for medical purposes. It is because the most common use for the medical cannabis is for pain control, while cannabis is not strong enough to suffer pain. For example, post-surgical pain or a broken bone. It is quite effective for the chronic pain that plagues millions of patients. Another reason why should cannabis be legalized is that cannabis is not dangerous as drugs. The cannabis might not give a side effect as not as drugs side effect, and in no country is cannabis allowed to be marketed as bread and milk. The cannabis is said to be a fantastic muscle relaxant, and people swear by its ability to less tremors in Parkinson's disease. The cannabis use quite successful for fibromyalgia, endometriosis, interstitial cystitis, and most other conditions where the final common pathway is chronic pain. Next, some of you might think that cannabis is alcohol or non-alcohol. The answer is cannabis has no alcoholic substance because it is natural events. It is easy to say that alcohol causes more harm to health than cannabis and even drugs use overall. The cannabis view obliquely because its actually use was misused by irresponsible person. I hope I have convinced you to why should cannabis can be legalized in Malaysia as good as medical treatment, safe for use and not give a bad effect for or problem for the country. Now the patient had suffered with diseases can be relieved.